Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In our last class, till last videos, I mean to say, we have completed with exercise 11.1. Now in today's session, we are going to start exercise 11.2. In my last video, I have said we are going to see the different categories of the formula that we have not studied yet. But it will be good if we see those formulae after the completion of this exercise 11.2. Because this exercise 11.2 is again completely depends on these trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So it will be good once we complete with this one, then we will go for the new formulae and the problems that are related to those new set of formulae that we will see after completion of this exercise 11.2. So let's proceed with exercise 11.2 question number 1. First question says that evaluate the following. Evaluate is nothing but you need to find out the value of the given expressions. Okay. Your first expression is sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. So let's start with this one. First bit over here is sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. In solution, first step is to write the given expression as it is. Okay. Don't write given that. Just copy down the expression as it is. Sine 45 plus cos 45. See these values under this table. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. So it means we need to add them. Sine 45 is also 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. See students, here no need to do numerator cross denominators direct because the denominators are same. So what we will do here, since the denominators are same, LCM is root 2, we can add the numerators 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by root 2. See students, these irrational numbers should not be there in the denominator because this 2 by root 2 you cannot do the further cancellation. But we have learned in our earlier classes that this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Once we got the number like root 3 into root 3, we wrote only 3. So this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, we can write it as like this because root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. Okay. This denominator I will keep it as it is root 2. So this root 2 gets cancelled. What remains? Only root 2 remains. Understand? Because my target was to cancel this root 2. So that is the reason in numerator also fortunately we were having only 2. That is the reason I have written it as root 2 into root 2 divided by this root 2 as it is. So root 2 got cancelled. We got the answer as root 2. Understand? So the value of sine 45 plus cos 45 is root 2. Now proceeding to our second bit. Our second bit is cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 60 degree. Okay, so cos 45 value, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 whole divided by secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 plus secant 30 we got as 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 is also 2 by root 3. Okay, this is cos 45 value whole divided by, then secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 is also 2 by root 3 only. Here this numerator is only single, so we will keep it as it is 1 by root 2. Here again we need to add them. And when we go for addition, it is similar to like this 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So we are having 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. I will take LCM as root 3 and I will add 2 plus 2 in the numerator. Okay students, this 1 by root 2 again remains as it is. 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by root 3. Okay students, this is 1 by root 2 as it is. 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by this root 3 is LCM that we have to write as it is root 3. Understand? Now this is also a fraction, this is also a fraction. What we will do, this 4 by root 3 we will take into multiplication. So when we take this 4 by root 3 into multiplication, we will get this as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. This gets reciprocal. Okay, this 4 by root 3 gets reversed. We got it as root 3 by 4. Now we need to multiply them. 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by root 2 into 4 is 4 root 2. Okay, students. Root 3 by 4 root 2. 1 by root 2 as it is. Here 2 plus 2, 4 by root 3 we got, students. Then 1 by root 2 into, I have taken this 4 by root 3 into multiplication. So it gets reversed, it will become root 3 by 4. 1 into root 3 is root 3 and root 2 into 4 is 4 root 2. This is the value of this expression. Okay. Here no need to change anything because here we got irrational number in numerator as well as in denominator. So this is our textbook answer. We will keep it as it is. This is root 3 by 4 root 2 is our answer. Okay. Copy down this one. Then we will do this bit number 3. Okay. Copy down. Now students, let's do this bit number 3. Bit number 3 as it is expression we will copy first. That is sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree upon cot 45 degree plus cos 60 degree minus secant 30 degree. This is our given expression. Firstly, you need to copy the given expression as it is in the solution. Then we will go for substituting these values from the table. Sin 30, when you see, it is 1 by 2. Then plus, okay, after writing this value plus, then after plus tan 45. Tan 45, when you see, it is 1. After that minus, then you have cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 degree is 2 by root 3 whole divided by, now coming to denominator part, cot 45. Cot 45 is 1 plus, then we have cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, then minus, after minus secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. See students, you have here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. 1, 1, minus 2 by root 3, minus 2 by root 3, as it is you have. So what I will do here, I will just interchange these two things. Numerator I will keep as it is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. In denominator, 1 plus 1 by 2 can also be written as 1 by 2 plus 1. Because 2 plus 3 is also 5, 3 plus 2 is also 5. So what I am doing, through commutative property, I am just interchanging this. I am writing 1 by 2 first, then 1. Then after that this minus 2 by root 3 as it is I wrote. Now if you see, numerator and denominator both are same. So we can cancel this and this. The answer is 1. Okay. Few people go for simplification of this. No need to do the simplification because when the numerator and denominators are same, just you can cancel them and the answer will be 1. Okay students. Note down this one. Bit number 4 and bit number 5 is your home assignment that you need to try in your homework notebook. Okay. Just copy down this one, then we will proceed for question number 2 of this exercise. Now students, exercise 11.2, question number 2. Choose the right option, like choose the correct answer and justify your choice. When you are choosing the answer, why you are choosing that answer, that particular answer, that justification also we need to do. Which means that after solving the given expression, you will get some answer. That will be your justification. Then you need to select the correct option among these 4 choices. Okay. So our first bit is 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. As we did in our first question, same like that only here also. First I will copy this expression as it is. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay students. So now 2 I will keep as it is. Tan 30 degree we will see over here. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, right? So that we will copy in place of tan 30. Value is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree, which means whatever tan 45 value is there, to that you need to do the square. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square we need to do, as square is given in the expression. So 1 plus 1 square. Understand? Here they both are in multiplication. So we will do 2 into 1 is 2 ones are 2 by root 3. Okay? 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1. Understand? Now again this 2 by root 3 remains as it is, whole divided by this 1 plus 1 is 2. Just now we have seen, whenever we have these type of things, we will take this into multiplication. This is not 2, actually this is 2 by 1. Okay? So when I take this into multiplication, this 2 by root 3 remains as it is. First numerator fraction remains as it is. When I am taking this 2 into this multiplication, this is actually 2 by 1, which will become 1 by 2. Just now in question number 1, second bit we have seen, we were having some root 3 by 4 by root 3 like that. So when we have taken into multiplication, that root 3 by 4 became 4 by root 3. So similarly here also this 2, when we are taking into multiplication, it is getting reversed, which is nothing but it will become 1 by 2. This 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 gets cancelled. Now 1 ones are 1 divided by root 3 ones are root 3. 1 by root 3 we got the answer, but it is not there over here. So now we need to check which is 1 by root 3 value among all these 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin 60 you check. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is not the correct option. Then cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is also not the correct option. Third option is tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is the correct answer. So here we can say this equals to tan 30. So the correct option is, the right option is C. Okay, this is the correct option. Copy down. Then we will do second bit and third bit also. This is bit number 2, students. 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. This expression value is, which one is the correct option that we need to select for this particular expression. So as we said, first I will write the complete expression as it is. 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree equals to 1 minus tan square 45 means tan 45 value square you have to do. Tan 45 is 1. So we have to do 1 square divided by 1 plus, here also tan square 45 degree, which means 1 whole square we have to do. So 1 minus 1 square means 1 ones are 1 divided by 1 plus, here also 1 square is 1 only. 1 minus 1 is how much? 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So do we have 0? Yes, we have 0 over here, there. So the correct option is which one? Yes, the correct option is D, because D is 0. Okay, note down. This is the final bit in question number 2. That is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. These are the 4 options given: cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30 degree. Now first we will copy the same expression. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree equals to 2 into tan 30. As just now we have seen, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus, here tan square 30 degree means the tan 30 value, which is 1 by root 3, should be squared, because the square is given here. In numerator no square is given, so we wrote only 1 by root 3. Here square is given, that is the reason 1 by root 3 whole square we have copied. Okay, now multiplying these two, 2 ones are 2 by root 3 you will get, because numerators only gets multiplied. 2 ones are 2 by root 3 remains as it is, whole divided by, here 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square means this square is there for numerator as well as denominator. This type of question also we have seen. When we do the square of 1, we will get only 1, and when we do the square of this root 3, we will get only 3 because the square and root gets cancelled. In exercise 11.1 we have seen when we were having root 113 whole square. So that time we were writing only 113 because the square and root gets cancelled. Same happens over here also. Now here there are two terms. If there is nothing in the denominator, what will be there? Yes, 1 will be there over here. Now the denominators are different. In this case we need to do numerators cross, denominators direct. Okay. So here this numerator 2 by root 3 goes as it is. 2 by root 3 we need to write. Here numerators cross. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 1s are 1. Numerators cross multiplication done. Divided by denominators direct. 1 3s are 3. Understand, students? Now this 2 by root 3 I will keep as it is. 2 by root 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Again we came to the same step wherein numerator is also a fraction, denominator is also a fraction. As we did just now, we were having only 2 in the denominator. So when we take into the numerator, we will get 1 by 2. So same happens here also. This 2 by root 3 remains as it is into, when I am taking this 2 by 3 into multiplication, this 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. Now we are having 1 3s are 3 divided by root 3 1s are root 3. As I said, no irrational number should be there in the denominator because this 3 by root 3 you will not find in this case. You have 4 options over here. No single option will match us with this 3 by root 3 because in table you are not having 3 by root 3. So what we will do, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, right? Because root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. Divided by this denominator remains root 3 as it is. So what will happen? This root 3 gets cancelled. Only remains root 3. This root 3 you will find in this one. So first we will check cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, not root 3. So this is not our correct option. Next option is sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is also not the correct option. Then you have tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So this is your correct option. Root 3 is nothing but tan 60 degree. So you have to write at last the right option. The right option is C. Okay, because option C is tan 60. That after simplification we got as root 3, which is nothing but tan 60. Note down this one. Then we will do the question number 3 of this exercise. Now students, this is question number 3 of exercise 11.2. Question number 3 says that evaluate, which means you need to find out the value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. After finding this value, again he is asking what is the value of sin over 60 degree plus 30 degree. These two expressions values you need to find out. Then what can you conclude after finding those values? What can you conclude by noticing the answers? That also he is asking. So firstly we will find out the value of this our first expression, that is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Okay. First sin 60 degree. We will do right hand side only. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 degree is also root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is somewhat similar to a question that we did in exercise 11.1. Last question I think. So here what will happen, if you remember, root 3 into root 3 becomes 3 and here 2 2s are 4. Here 1 1s are 1 2 2s are 4. Both the denominators are same, so we will take the LCM as 4 and we will add up the numerators, that is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. When you cancel, 4 ones are gets cancelled. The answer is 1 for the first expression. Now also he has asked what is the value of this sine 60 degree plus 30 degree. That we will do now. Sine over 60 degree plus 30 degree. So here after sine there are two angles which are in addition. So you cannot substitute any of the value by looking into the table. First of all you need to add them. So you will get sine 60 degree plus 30 degree is 90 degree. Now see in the table what is the value of sine 90 degree is, it is also 1. So we got for the first expression answer is 1, for the next expression is also 1. So what can you conclude? That both are same, right? So that only we need to write. We can conclude that sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. This first expression value is same as the second expression value, that is sine over 60 degree plus 30 degree. Okay students, we can conclude that this equals to this that we wrote at last. Similarly, question number 4 is similar to this type only, that you need to do in your homework notebook. The question is that is it right to say, which means is it correct to say that cos over 60 degree plus 30 degree equals to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 he has asked. So first of all you do LHS, then you do RHS. If you get both same answers, then you can say yes, it is right to say. Suppose if you get LHS and RHS answer different, then you have to say that it is not right to say that this equal to that. Okay, like that, like similar to this only that you need to do. So your homework questions are, I will note down here because many students are having doubts. So homework is exercise 11.2, question number 1, 4th bit and 5th bit, and question number 4 is your homework. Okay students, copy down this one. Hopefully we will continue with the remaining problems of this exercise in our next video. Okay, till then take care of yourself. Thank you all of you.